Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Polygon ecosystem token. Ticker symbol is POL. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing. It was just announced that they will be listed today, October 27th, on a very big central exchange. So we're going to go over the information on the POL token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The POL token, so it just got listed today, 14 hours UTC time, October 27th, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search POL, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, you would expect, even with the symbol, in the thumbnail of this video, and the symbol for this token is like the Polygon symbol. This token is actually on the Ethereum blockchain, and they have an Etherscan, and it says they only have 105 holders so far as of recording this video here. 18 decimal places on this token, and they have a max total supply of a little bit over 10 billion tokens, like 10,182,000 tokens. So they have their official webpage, polygon.technology. They have their Twitter at OXPolygon. I'm going to put that up right here. They have a Telegram at Polygon Official. But then they have a full white paper that you could find. You can find it in the Mexc Global announcement listing on Mexc's Twitter. It's a real easy way to find it. At Mexc_official, just click on details in their Polygon ecosystem token listing announcement, and then you will find the white paper, or you could most likely just find it on their webpage that I just mentioned. But POL is a next generation token that can power a vast ecosystem of ZK-based L2 chains. It does that via a native restaking protocol that allows POL holders to validate multiple chains and perform multiple roles on each one of those chains, turning POL into a hyper-productive token. So there is 18 decimal places on this token, and it says here that, well, there's 4 different contact emails for different people on their white paper, first of all, if you need to contact somebody for some reason. But it says the purpose of POL is described in their white paper, the native token of the revised Polygon protocol architecture, commonly referred to as Polygon 2.0. As the successor of Matic, POL is envisioned to become an instrumental tool for coordination and growth of the Polygon ecosystem, and the main driver of the vision of Polygon as the value layer for the internet. We start by analyzing relevant work, identifying opportunities and threats, and based on that, we established POL design goals. We proposed design, utility, and tokenomics of POL that achieve all the design goals. We described the concept of the staking layer, a one-of-a-kind POL powered chain coordination capable of supporting a practically unlimited number of Polygon chains with arbitrary features and configurations. We believe the introduction of the staking layer and the wider Polygon 2.0 architecture can establish Polygon as the third most important and impactful breakthrough in Web3. The first two being Bitcoin and Ethereum, given the magnitude of innovation and adoption it can facilitate. We introduced the Community Treasury, an all-in protocol, community-governed fund designed to provide ongoing economic support to further develop and grow the Polygon ecosystem. They also describe the process of migration from Matic to POL. To analyze the proposed design, we define an economic simulation model and run simulations to confirm the hypothesis of this model, derived from the aforementioned design goals. Based on everything above, we conclude that POL is a novel next-generation asset that provides a solid foundation for the ambitious vision of the value layer. So you can go through their entire white paper, but there's a lot of stuff. It just kind of goes over relevant work. Like they talk about Bitcoin, they talk about Ethereum, Cosmos, Polkadot, and Aave. And then they have where they go over the utilities, the next section. So yeah, very lengthy sections where they talk about all these other blockchains. But then they say POL is the native token of Polygon, and as such represents a major tool for coordination and incentivizing the whole Polygon ecosystem. It has a multi-fold utility, namely validator staking, validator rewards, community ownership, and governance. So Polygon validators are required to stake POL in order to join the validator pool. Validator staking increases security of the ecosystem by preventing Sybil attacks, aligning validators with the success of the ecosystem, enabling slashing. By staking POL and joining the validator pool, validators become eligible to subscribe to validate any Polygon chain. And then they have the rewards section. Protocol rewards provide base incentives for validators and establish a level playing field for the whole validator pool. On top of it, validators can then secure additional incentives by validating individual Polygon chains. And then they have the governance, of course, where if you hold POL, you can acquire voting rights, basically, to vote on which direction you think this project should go. But yeah, if you want to read their very extensive white paper, you can find it at polygon.technology. And if you want to acquire the POL token for yourself, you can get it off Mexc Global. And like I said, if you don't have an account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. So check out all the referral codes down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a comment down there, and y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.